supposed to be out of the team. But no so we are seeing neom and no so omoba Zesura Mosovic goalkeeper no bejuma. Emze or Chelsea goalkeeper in England. Emze or bejuma purposely for US
in no buy.
Yeah. Yesterday first half na a bit dodgy. Yes, on say Joan Canary any chance and also a wonderful Chelsea winger, right winger. Any chance be early stage of the game. Then you have a situation by Kosovari Aslani. It's a chance. But then Husa and Husa, they were not clinical in front of.
I was the guys who be a Diano Butimobo. Aslani in Kwamboni the Umbers of Butimobo.
What boy similar? Kosovari
now was a former Real Madrid player.
Oh, I know that mean Casa Timo was in the can. Obatona and I can't baby you can't. You trauma dia nani.
I was an Aslani GD baby. I say a hoka.
Mean himself Mukaba and there are some near Campacho.
As all kind of best or their title.
Okay, former Real Madrid similar player. When I
Apostle Crabbies.
Okay,
Kosovari do obey yellow Madrid.
This is how
always similar.
Okay, and then last day, but was it? Me did the number about former Real Madrid star. Munamu developing and I similar befadi. But when I and two share Stanley Blackstone was almost captain or Arsenal or also near chance be 10 years, but yes or so Osha they struggled, they were not creating chances, but the US following the first half equity some few chances. Osha about you are Trinity Rodman 18 minutes on your opportunity, most of it said Mabejuma 27 minutes or train Ababa you are Magdalena Eriksson and a ball shot goalkeeper no Ebeye Juma. Now 34 minutes Captain listening horror. And your head there's a crowd from Rodman and a heady ball on the crossbar. Baby because no say lack a bad now 53rd minute Lenzo Horn captain and Casa Trinipam you know far corner on him so with the atom or the name on say or soon keep out most of it until they stand pump him hand ne sam
say
no
or the ball
now 89 minutes the enemy who check bia Len Williams across the ball Lee Williams cross the ball no and a header diving header to the near post for some year. Down the 96 minutes to Onwa Alex Morgan a train beyond tally the number right back no for Sweden or train no and or rim far post on them so with them about you ya lipia the nisa year. There's a I didn't bedding. Len Williams so sir Len Williams and your ball or trim back who trim you know peja keeper then Sophia Smith 107 minutes there and look at who but she was so in all on the man of the woman of them or Bejuma she decided to really make sure that it was impossible for them. The US man about penalty shooter that really they normally finish a game in the 90 minutes about penalty shooter that they are not really that good at penalty shooter and then you expect Mega Rapino very experienced Oba at this level to be converted such a chance. Only O'Hara, Kelly O'Hara, so you expect at this top level to be a convert. Unfortunately, she couldn't convert. Sophia Smith, because she's a young, brilliant. This or no team way. So Savannah Melo bought the right side. I said Sophia, Emba, Fifi, Anna Rosala Valley. Or no a prayer for this game. Trinity Road, but so because of that, Omo unless any Megan rapping or Mokokra, there's Omo Nicolano, but I said Benifono Emo Mokoyamaba. And we are shocking because US and free more round 16 da. We are the first time a US are free round 16. US Omanya dear Krajon semi-final. So Sweden have done very well. Sweden are giant killers. Nemo Sweden are coming him no. Ombako share Mincroft Japan. Now mono Bono the highest scoring team in the competition, 14 goals. 2011 almost share 12 goals to the and then almost share 14 goals. We are the only team. Yes. Almost the best defense because goal now almost consider right and goal no Risa and a goalkeeper Mikkelsen of Norway and a long ball and a Risa G across the ball Emma rating was able to score and near woman say and no the only goal considered so far in the competition and they score 14. Now they have the best defense in the competition, they have the best attack in the competition, that's Japan. Almost shower. Now said that attack girl no Hinata Miyazawa. Kwashe second goal now Fujino man pass 2 pass no share no. They are deadly.
Some passports.
Yeah. Obetimi had this coach results or the you Hasagawa any Fuji Uka Nagano ne bombe foot. Obetimi ayi no Asafrio. or you free wa or Bebo Fujino no about Shimizu or midfield. Their option the man rotates in a nice manner and almost difficult to break down. Problem was almost and almost but say a born of them now converting rate is very high, almost discipline, almost control, almost passing, almost very quick, almost intelligent. And the only know which Abalama says Norwegian, so they came to her. Graham Hansen, two short, two very good shots, and then I must say goalkeeper Yamisha to idea. She made some wonderful save. Service too short made so Japan are true. Niawe 1 shot on target, US 11 shot on target. Sweden because Japan for the South Africa.
Africa there is a baby doing no.
But
I Apostle.
But you also sometimes the story you need to understand them. Utienia Hilga Magaya can $60,000 no be omenyano each no. Was started chro ni mama ni papa man mama dampemu 1 year. Yari be cost be $15,000. Was started Jessica no.
She's got the other way.
South Africa mania professional, how many professional league?
Yeah.
This game, Getlana, Hilda Megaya, simple. Unfortunately, German simple so prior. First half, Senya Tankro for Van Domsela keeper now. Now don't forget that Getlana ma keeper no sunya one of the match. You know. Or yes, saves. Getlana 4 saves from Getlana alone. Hilda Megaya 2.
Agiba Azubejuma no.
On Pejuma and the South Africa they play so well. But problem nah yeah fullbacks. Karabo Dlamani was left back. And Lebon Ramalepi right back. Problem no. And it has been their problem. Number of goals on 1 so far. Problem no. Bambamani Mbani center back, brilliant, intelligent, good leader, good organizer. Only Toko Maglo. But the problem is fullback. Because I keep on so Bejuma. First goal no Musheno.
Africa keeper idea.
Oh, first goal no. Efanisemu.
Africa keeper idea.
Berenstein goal no. There, Pelova.
The body ball feb time.
Oh, Pono Fanisemu. Second goal so sa. Giroud goal so sa. Ochieno Jemu. So I'm bomb. But for me, South Africa my omoko ejuma 5 to 7 p.m. That is their storyline. That's why case be fan of case by case. Oko ejuma 5 to 7. No, 9 to 5 p.m.
9 to 5 p.m.
Or we are no about training 7 to 9 p.m. every day. This is the story of most of them. Getlana saw no US. But most of the players, this is their story. And the only professional league, yet you are Udi Andrew Bobo, and so called Juma Pon and Son of Sanko training.
Wow. But also, we young people, South Africa, here, Seromosia, anyway.
Boy, no ball. They kept look at what they did to Sweden. Almost Sweden took the lead. Senior defensive problems are South African competition. Even match, senior keeper on 1 Bejuma was Sapa.
Come baby.
Oh, Kelly Swat was Brown. I
was my bishop.